but really, I'm so happy that you people have shared your time and come here only to listen to me. And today I will just start you the wonderful word, and you will be surprised that thing, pain is not a curse at all. It's a blessing of God. Definitely you will be amazed to hear this thing, how become it is blessing. We are all the time pressing to the God, I have a pain and other thing also. No. Pain is not a curse, is a blessing to the God. Rather, God is directing us, is take the action to be, you become okay. You have a still life. You go to the doctor. They are not telling, go to the Apurva Ganguly and you take care for that. It is not that. It is the time. You can take action. Immediately you can be well. If not, if pain is not there, then what will happen? You will be totally paralyzed. So today's world, everybody is running into the pain, then to stop the pain. Sorry, I must tell you, never go after the pain. Pain is God-gifted thing. Never try to stop to do that. Try to find out the causes of the pain. The causes of the pain, so many causes is there. But OPT and healthcare has just figured out only 3 causes, which you can, in your own narrator, you can find out. Those is here. If you can see, test yourself, you can find out also that you have whether you have a pain or not, or anybody not step down. I can simply step down, I can see whether you have a pain or not. I'm not a God at all. But how can I do that? It is a judgment. This is the measurement. Through the last 30 years, I've done my research work on that, how the movement of the people can realize me and can measure it. And very recently, I've written one book, Pain-Free Life, for the pain-free leg. This is the wonderful book. If you can see, in your house itself, you can find out and read it. You can judge yourself, you will be in future, not in the future, in the day, the month, the 2, whether you will be attracted in the pain or not. This is a very wonderful thing. Not to be a doctor at all. This is an easy thing to that. Then how thing is this happen? If you go around to the clinic, pain is different types of pain. Somebody...
A new universe, I would say. My father, Dr. Ganguly, dreamt of this 38 years back. When I was just born, probably, right? Now you guys know my age. But, that's when he dreamt of creating a pain-free society with minimally invasive procedures, right? And he also understood that globally there were no one treating this problem, which is becoming an epidemic in India at the root cause level, right? I think more on this from the horse's mouth. I really thank Mr. Suresh Jain to come forward and help us. Alan Scott is our venture partner today, and whatever you see here, right from the branding, the infrastructure setup, it's all his support, and I'm really very thankful that he's really pushed us to kind of go and achieve our vision very aggressively. Last but not the least, I would also thank my wife and my brother-in-law. They're now here at this point of time for really kind of helping me set this up. The interior work. We were working till 4 o'clock in the morning, so my cognitive health is a little declined today, so pardon that. But yeah, so I'll set the floor. This is Dr. Ganguly, so we can just have a seat here. And
not funny to stay young and live forever across the board. And the challenge here is that the average you might be sitting.
Can we also have Dr. Satpalji here? You've been a strong supporter. It will be great to have you as one of our panelists. What we're doing today, we're going to talk a little bit about longevity. राइट. जिनको लॉन्जिविटी एक नया टर्म है, अभी नया टाइड है, बट दिस हैज़ टू डू विद living longer and healthier. People are living longer, right? But people are living longer with a disease. Now, we have Dr. Mikhail here. Very interesting how I met him, and I'm meeting him again here today. Please. Great to meet you again.
Sorry.
No worries. That's you're following the IST. Yeah, it's okay. So we're going to quickly. So Dr. Mikhail, I'm going to do a formal introduction a little later. But great how I'm re-meeting him. Right, I met him a year back in Singapore in a longevity conference in National University of Singapore, and I'm meeting him again today. Welcome to OPTM. Welcome to India.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I think lot to be. Baba, if you can have a seat also. Yeah. A lot to be said, but I'm going to set the stage. We've got something very exciting for you. We have this dynamic gentleman. He was supposed to be here today, but unfortunately couldn't make it. But he's promised us to join on Zoom today, and we're trying to pair this up. I'll set the context. He is one of the finest person I've met in longevity science. Currently serving as a scientific principal at Longevity Tech Fund USA, Dr. Sehgal specializes in developing groundbreaking tools in bio-aging clocks and longevity biomarkers, which are reshaping how we understand aging and health span. His research focuses on integration of computation models with real-world application, enabling precision diagnosis and personalized intervention to slow aging and enhance vitality. So today, thanks for joining in, Dr. Sehgal. There are over 50 people here, and really hope that you could make it here. But stock to kind of give the stage to you through Zoom, and if you could just probably put a little bit of a.
मेरा नाम आनंदीप गांगुली है. मैं डायरेक्टर हूँ OPTF हेल्थ का और CEO वार्को लेके का, जो दुनिया का पहले लोअर लिम्ब मोबिलिटी प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व कर रहे हैं थ्रू फाइटोमेडिसिन्स. ये फाइटोमेडिसिन सेकेंडरी मेटाबॉलिज्म ऑफ प्लांट्स है, जो कि हम लोग ने 30 इयर्स रिसर्च में स्पेंड करके इसको सिनर्जिस्टिकली मतलब साथ में मिला के काम करने का इन अ वेरी साइंटिफिक वे वी बीन एबल टू शो दैट it works on regenerating muscle cells, tissues, enhance blood circulation for improving nutrient delivery system.
क्या कॉस्ट आता है फाइटोमेडिसिन थेरेपी को अगर कोई लेना चाहे?
तो आपका स्टेज के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, तो इसलिए हम लोग डायग्नोसिस में बहुत एम्फेसिस करते हैं कि कौन सा स्टेज में आपका प्रॉब्लम है, वेरिकोज वेन से हो गया या ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस हो गया. स्टेज 1 to 4 में अगर है वी टेक यू एज अ पेशेंट. स्टेज 5 में बहुत ही क्रॉनिक कंडीशंस में, जो एक्सट्रीम क्रॉनिक कंडीशंस में वी डोंट टेक देम एज अ पेशेंट. एनीथिंग बिटवीन नी ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस के लिए एनीथिंग बिटवीन 30,000 to 1 लाख रुपए फॉर 42 days. वेरिकोज वेन्स के लिए 60 days का या 120 days का कोर्स रहता है, विच इज क्लोज टू 7,000 to 8,000 rupees.
क्या कोई साइड इफेक्ट भी है इस थेरेपी?
100% नेचुरल है, क्लिनिकली प्रूवन है, फार्माकोलॉजी टॉक्सिकोलॉजी टेस्टेड है, आज तक कोई साइड इफेक्ट नहीं है.
कोई इसके पीछे सक्सेस स्टोरी है?
क्लिनिकल स्टडीज है इतना, तो टेस्टिमोनियल फॉर्मेट में सक्सेस स्टोरीज तो बहुत कंपनी दिखा रहे थे. कोई भी आपको उठा के मैं कैमरे पे सामने डाल के बोलूँगा मैम आप बता दो मेरे लिए. आज इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग भी बहुत होता है, आपको पता है. बट जो क्लिनिकल स्टडी मेडिकल जर्नल्स में पब्लिश होता है, लेकिन उसका जो वेटेज है दैट इज व्हाट वी आर बेटिंग ऑन, और वही हम लोग के लिए सबसे मीनिंगफुल रहता है.
ये फर्स्ट मीटिंग है दिल्ली में?
दिल्ली में हम लोग जैसे मैंने बोला है, एलन स्कॉट वेंचर्स ने हम लोग का अभी वेंचर पार्टनर हुआ है. अभी हम लोग इसको पिवट कर रहे हैं. दिल्ली में हम लोग पहले थे, बट अभी जो OPTM देख रहे हो ये पूरा एक नया अवतार में आया है. नया ट्रीटमेंट मोडालिटीज इंक्लूड किए है. रेड लाइट थेरेपी है, कंप्रेशन थेरेपी है, साथ साथ हम लोग का जो सिग्नेचर फाइटोथेरेपी है उसके साथ साथ वो भी है. डायग्नोसिस जो आपने देखा ब्लड बायोमार्कर का डायग्नोसिस, वो एक नया डायग्नोसिस प्रोटोकॉल हम लोग ने लॉन्च किया है. तो ये फॉर्मेट में कभी OPTM लॉन्च नहीं किया, तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम हम लोग ये फॉर्मेट में OPTM को लॉन्च किया है. और नेक्स्ट 9 months का टारगेट है कि 10 ऐसे क्लिनिक हम लोग पूरा भारत में फैला सके।
क्या 100% श्योरिटी है कि अगर मतलब जैसे आर्थराइटिस है तो पेन होता है, ठीक है, तो उसको आप रिवर्स कर सके?
आप देखोगे दैट्स व्हाट वी सेइंग, अनलॉक पेन फ्री मूवमेंट बाय रिवर्सिंग मसल एज। तो आप कॉन्फ्रेंस में सुने होंगे, डॉक्टर गांगुली भी एम्फोसिस किया है काफ़ी। इनफैक्ट डॉक्टर राघव जो लॉन्जिविटी टेक फंड लॉन्जिविटी क्लिनिक का साइंटिफिक प्रिंसिपल है, दैट मसल इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एजिंग इन द एंटायरिटी ऑफ मेडिसिन। पूरा मेडिसिन लैंडस्केप में मैं सबको पूछना चाहता हूँ, कोई मेडिसिन है मसल के लिए? क्यों नहीं है? डायबिटीज़ के लिए, कार्डियोवैस्कुलर डिजीज के लिए, वाई नॉट फॉर मसल? एंड आई थिंक वही OPTM एक नए अवतार में लाके उसको वो वी वांट टू मेक अ मार्क इन दिस मसल सेंट्रिक मेडिसिन लैंडस्केप। एंड ये ही लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन होता है स्केलेटन मसल, जो स्किन, ऑब्वियसली हम लोग स्किन बोलते हैं बिकॉज इट्स कवर्ड बाय स्किन, बट ये ही ऑर्गन है विच इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर मेकिंग यू लिव लॉन्गर, हेल्थियर। आज की टाइम में एक नंबर मैं आपको थ्रो करता हूँ सबको, 65। चमका कुछ? आपको कुछ अच्छा लगा 65 सुन के? नहीं चमका ना, कुछ समझ में नहीं आया। दिस इज व्हाट द एवरेज एज ऑफ इंडियन पीपल आर राइट नाउ। हम लोग को 110 तक लेके जाना है। हाउ डू वी डू दैट? वी वांट टू डू इट विद एड्रेसिंग द लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन। उसको कैसे हेल्दी रख सकते हैं? हम लोग ये नहीं बोल रहे हम लोग का ट्रीटमेंट लो और यू नो एज को रिवर्स करो। हम लोग ये बोल रहे हैं कि जो हम लोग का ट्रीटमेंट है वो मसल को कैसे रिपेयर कर सकते हो, मसल को स्ट्रेंथनिंग कैसे कर सकते हो, जो अपना जॉइंट्स टिश्यूज वो है, वो रिस्पॉन्सिबल जॉइंट्स को होल्ड करने के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, उसको कैसे ठीक कर सकते हैं। और ये आपने पूछा कि सक्सेस रेट क्या है, 93.8% हम लोग का ऑफिशियल सक्सेस रेट है, जो कि क्लिनिकल स्टडीज में हम लोग पब्लिश किए।
कोई ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी है जो कोलैबोरेशन और पार्टनरशिप विद अदर हेल्थ केयर और
अभी इस बारे में मैं तो कुछ नहीं बोल सकता हूँ। आई थिंक यू नो टाइम विल से। और हम लोग का चेयरमैन जो है ही माइट अनफोल्ड, और हम लोग का वेंचर पार्टनर जो है ही माइट, द एलन स्कॉट कंपनी माइट अनफोल्ड दिस, बट समथिंग वेरी एक्साइटिंग इन द पाइपलाइन। इतना ही मैं बोल सकता हूँ। Thank you.
I'm just I'm this managing director and chairman of OPTM Healthcare. That OPTM means Organic Phytotherapeutic Method. Really, you'll be surprised that what does it mean? The phyto. Phyto is nothing but a plant. Our body, our cell, each and everything is responsible which we take, and it is coming from the plant, and that's why the phyto means the plant. OPTM Healthcare basically collect these particular phytomedicine, and you'll be surprised to know that our plant, everybody knows the plant got the vitamin, mineral, protein, carbohydrate, not more than this. It is written in the any nutrition books and other things. Besides this, the vitamin, mineral, protein and carbohydrates, plant has the another metabolism is called the secondary metabolism. That is lies the fact for that. How our body keep is the any disease free, or our muscle tissues is developed, not only because of the vitamin, mineral, protein. It is from the some nutrients is called the phytonutrients or bioactive compound. The ultimate OPTM has the healthcare. They collected these particular phytonutrients from the plant in a seasonal basis. If you look at the plant, you will see this plant in the summertime is different, the feature is different, cold time feature is different, and winter time different. Why? What is the reason behind this? The reason is this: this particular plant cannot produce the particular ingredient all the times, all the way. There is a misunderstanding. and it is written also. It is written in the book, and that this plant, particular plant, have the medical value. Of course, they are medical, but not always. At a time. That's the reason there is a big difference of the Ayurveda and the OPT of healthcare. This is the phytomedicine. It is not a Ayurvedic medicine. Now, second question is coming. You are nothing but a oil massage. You are doing the oil massage. Sorry to say, we are not doing the oil massage at all. Oil, it is not a oil massage. And it is not an ordinary oil. How I get it? Take it there. We collect these particular secondary metabolism. As you know, that this is Germany got a phytonutrient with the curcumin. And another good example I can tell you, this is a wonderful thing that vitamin C. You know, now it is winter. The nature is such. Nature wants to keep our body intact and other. We don't want. Any disease that it is not for anything, it is for us. But because nature has given us the particular fruit not to be ill and other. It is winter, we have a cough, cold and other. That means if I go to any doctor will speak vitamin C or the cough syrups and other. These particular orange, now look at this orange, this particular orange, this vitamin C. But anyone can challenge, if this vitamin C has been ascorbic acid on it. Although this is molecular structure of the vitamin C in chemistry and the molecules in the nature is not the same. That's why not a single molecular, this is the phytonutrients till today that been made in artificially. It is not possible. If you say why it is not possible, look at the simply orange. How if you look at the structure of the orange, this is the capsule, they put it in the jacket, this is the nutrition there, they put in another jacket, they put a third jacket, this is the foaming system. Why the foaming system is there? What the foaming system? Oxygen has to go inside. If you look at the foam, if you press it going inside, that's it. The label has the orange system. But to keep this particular foaming system, God, how the nature has created, they would a hard cover. This is green, has to be green. Otherwise, it is a plant. This is without the green part, they cannot produce their own food and others. But after that, how this oxygen will go inside? The oxygen, that's why there is a small hole inside the skin. This is the skin. Then any insect, any ear, this can go inside. That's why nature has protected by putting the oil inside this hole, so not to go. The lemon oil, this is a wonderful oil for healthy oil and other. Not only this, there's another part. If you look at this orange, this is a wonderful skin, wonderful medicine has been discovered, Dasbin and Hesperin. This is the medicine for our this nerve tissues and other. That is artificially cannot be done at all. This particular Hesperin and the Dasbin, this wonderful medicine, now in USA now today, has become a allopathic medicine. This is the nature. No artificial, this Hesperin and Dasbin, total. Anybody, those who are suffering